Hello everyone, welcome to another unboxing video. And we have something different, something we haven't unboxed yet, well, as far as manufacturers go, and that is Toshiba. This is a very interesting phone. This is the G910 Porteg, I believe that's how you pronounce it. This is made in Japan, and we have a few of these available, some sealed in the original wrapping. So let's take a look at this unique phone and see what we got going on. And we do appreciate you guys checking out our video. And if you'd like to see more, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any new updates or any new videos here on Recycle Myself. So here is the Toshiba phone, as you can see, and it's on the TIM network. A lot of our phones are European and for the Italian network. And look at that. That is beautiful. That is a beautiful phone. Very clean, flat design here on the buttons. Toshiba TIM. We got the pickup and end buttons along with the directional center button at the front. And we have this like leather texture on it. Very clean. Before we go any further, let's check out the contents inside the box. See what accessories we receive with this phone. Alright, let's see. Okay, here's the opening. Oh, okay, so it's backwards. Here we have our AC adapter. There we go. Model TS-ADP002EU. And it looks like this uses the mini USB port, which is great. And here we have, let's see, we have our headset, our earbuds, and then we have another plug. This is for hands-free communication. So you plug this into the phone, and then you plug your headset here. And this is kind of convenient because if these go out or you already have an earbud that you prefer, you can use that instead. And then use your hands-free button and microphone. That is pretty convenient. Very nice. So in here, we'll find our battery. Toshiba battery. This is model TS-BTR002, 3.7 volt DC, 1320 milliamps. Clean design. I like the feel of this. Has a nice finish, or I guess the sticker just feels nice on this battery. Nice matte finish. What else we got in here? What else? Oh, we got our data cable, of course, for transferring photos, music, that sort of thing. And underneath, not sure what this is for. We got our G910 getting started disc, our desktop manager for the Toshiba phone. And here are some extra, I guess, stickers for this particular phone, the IMEI. This is the Toshiba warranty. Not going to get into that. And the user's guide or user manual. Cool. Alright, so let's take a closer look at this Toshiba phone. It's very unique. I've never come across something like this. Has the LCD display on the front. And I'm sure that's the microphone. That's your earpiece, and you can see a phone call coming through. You can pick it up, and then you can start talking. Then you hang up here. And then if you want to go a little further, you open it up, and you start doing your chat or video call. There's a camera right there. And I wonder if this is a touch screen. Probably not. UMTS high speed. There's the logo there, or the model name logo. There's the Toshiba logo. You can have your camera button, or you have a camera button right here so you can take photos. Yeah, this keypad is very nice. Super clean. Looks like it's running on Windows, some type of Windows operating system. On the side we have our volume up and down key buttons. That looks like a fingerprint scan or unlock or locker. Here is where you would, I'm sure this is for the headset adapter. Yeah, so you can have your hands free, ready to go. You'll also have another camera on the back, 2.0 megapixel camera with the flash. And the paint job on this phone looks immaculate. Nice gray finish. Very glossy look to it. And the leather. And over the years, sometimes this leather gets a little bit sticky, but they did a great job on this material or whatever they used, and it held up pretty good where it still feels original. It still feels brand new. And that opened up pretty quickly. Huh. That's kind of maybe a flawed design, but that opened up way too quickly. It's not too secure. Let's see, on the back we have our SIM card tray or SIM card slot right there. And let's see, can we add a micro SD card? I don't see a micro SD card slot. Our IMEI, made in Japan, G910. Very nice. Here's our battery. Cool. See on the bottom, this is going to be our charging port. There we go. It even says Qualcomm 3G CDMA. Nice touch there. Spot for your lanyard or wrist holder, whatever. And there's like a, I guess that's a microphone with the grill there. I like this phone. This is very different. Oh, here we are. There's the micro SD slot at the top and the power button. Totally missed that. There we go. Nice and secure. This probably doesn't have charge. Oh wait, it does. Cool. Wow, even the battery held up all these years. We'll see how much charge this has. Windows Mobile. Nothing on the outside yet. Well, it looks like the battery died. Didn't last too long.